flakiness index and elongation index as per IS 2386 part 1.
Apparatus required: a standard thickness gauge, a standard length gauge, IS sieve set, which includes 20 mm IS sieve, 16 mm IS sieve, 12.5 mm IS sieve, 10 mm sieve, 6.3 mm sieve, and lid and pan. Aggregate: sieve shaker, weighing balance, a balance of capacity 5 kg, readable and accurate up to 1 gram. Observation sheet. Let us first see the experimental procedure to determine the flakiness index value of coarse aggregate. Put the tray on balance and make it 0 from tare button. Measure the weight of minimum 200 pieces of the aggregate sample. Record the weight of the sample in the observation sheet. These sieves are put one over the other with 6.3 mm sieve at the bottom and 20 mm sieve at the top. Transfer the aggregate sample in 20 mm IS sieve. Now sieve the sample through set of sieves either manually or by sieve shaker. Here we are sieving the sample by sieve shaker. After proper sieving, fraction of aggregate of different sizes will be retained on different sieves. In this sample, no aggregate retained on 20 mm sieve. The aggregate passing through 20 mm sieve size and retained on 16 mm sieve is taken for testing. This aggregate fraction is passed through the corresponding thickness slot on the gauge marked 20 to 16 mm. The width of the slot corresponding to 20 mm and 16 mm sieves can be calculated as 3 by 4 into 20 plus 16 divided by 2 is equals to 10.8 mm. The width of this slot through which this fraction of aggregate is passing 10.8 mm. The particles passing through 10.8 mm thickness slot are collected and weighed. Record the weight of the sample in the observation sheet. The same procedure is followed for aggregate passing through 16 mm sieve and retained on 12.5 mm sieve. fraction of aggregate passing through the corresponding thickness slot are collected and weighed. The reading is recorded in the observation sheet. The gauge weight of flaky particles from fraction of aggregate corresponding to 12.5 to 10 mm sieve and 10 to 6.3 mm sieve is determined and recorded. Observation and calculation. Total weight of fraction consisting of at least 200 pieces. W is equal to 1188 gram. Thickness gauge slot of size 20 mm to 16 mm is 69 gram. Slot size 16 mm to 12.5 mm is 247 gram. Slot size 12.5 mm to 10 mm is 78.5 gram. Slot size 10 to 6.3 mm is 31.5 gram. Determination of elongation index. Put the tray on balance and make it 0 from tare button. For finding index value of aggregate, take minimum 200 pieces of aggregate from a representative sample and note down its weight. Here also, the sample is sieved to the same setup sieve as used for the determination of flakiness index of 20 mm size aggregate. Here we are sieving the sample by sieve shaker. After proper sieving, fraction of aggregate of different sizes will be retained on different sieves. In this sample, no aggregate retained on 20 mm sieve. Aggregate fraction passing through 20 mm sieve and retained on 16 mm sieve is taken for testing. Here, the aggregate fraction under test is passed through the corresponding length slot on length gauge. However, it is important in this case the particle retained on the length slot are weighed and reading recorded. The length of the slot corresponding 20 mm and 16 mm sieves is calculated as 9 divided by 5 into 20 plus 16 divided by 2 is equals to 32.4 mm. The length of the slot on which this aggregate are retained is 32.4 mm. All the particles retained are weighed and the reading is noted in the observation sheet. The same procedure is followed for aggregate passing through 16 mm and retained on 12.5 mm sieve. Here also, the aggregate retained on the respective length gauge slot are weighed and recorded in the observation sheet. The same procedure is followed for aggregate retained on subsequent sieves, that is 12.5 mm to 10 mm sieve and 10 mm to 6.3 mm sieve, and their corresponding weight recorded. Observation and calculations. Weight of fraction consisting of at least 200 pieces is 1188 gram. Size of aggregate retained on 20 mm and 16 mm slot is 157 gram. Slot size 16 mm and 12.5 mm is 268.5 gram. Slot size 12.5 mm and 10 mm is the weight of fraction is 98 gram. Slot size 10 mm and 6.3 mm is the weight of fraction is 20.5 gram. Flakiness index is equals to total weight of material passing through various thickness gauge divided by total weight of the sample taken into 100. Elongation index is equals to total weight of material retained on various length gauge divided by total weight of the sample taken into 100. Result: the flakiness index of a given sample of aggregate is 35.86% and the elongation index of a given sample of aggregate is 45.79%. As per IS code, flakiness and elongation index test are not applicable to aggregate size smaller than 6.3 mm.